So here we have studio tour part 2. Again, the inside of the studio. Here's some of my wall fused glass artwork. Low Tide and Quaking Bog, which is the one sort of on the upper left here. I'm going to go back over to this area. Some of my fusing work is put away because we're having a studio show. But here's some of my fine art enameled glass across the top and in the back window here. And there's my guitar. A piece I made with frit, which was really lovely. That piece is micro thin. So then it illuminates beautifully. You can see the stripe of direct sunlight across the middle of that, which is lovely. And some art tools in the back. This is my Diebenkorn, my homage to Diebenkorn. And then very briefly, simply because this is a great time for me to do a studio tour, Betsy and I, Elizabeth Zeldin, and I'll show you her work in just a moment, had an opening last night. And our opening was called Judaica in Provincetown. And I just did a variety of really lovely sculpted wire menorahs. I went back to my roots and I just didn't want to do them in stained glass. So as my tabernacle menorah, my garden menorah. This one is my Greek key menorah. Over here we have the Hope and Pace Hanukkah slash candle holders. Hanukkah holiday Hope and Peace candle holders. And then over here I have my S-curve menorah, which I just love. Oh, there's that crooked candle. Love that. This is a pond series that I did. It's the last of one of the breakwater sculptures that I did. And last and certainly not least, just a simple sort of 2-inch by 4-inch candle holder done with the sculpted wire, which I really love. So, and then of course the cacophony that you see back here, this is my kiln. This is my creative area back here. There's a little kiln I've been using. Sort of stored some of my fused glassware work to clear off the table. Some of my tools in the background. Custom order concepts. Oh, there's my office. See that little Mac in the corner? That's my entire office with tea and vitamin C drink. And then, so this is my creative area. There's some of my glass, my roll corrugate, and my computer bag are down there, so everything's believe it or not, easily accessible. Here I have my bevels and some other items, my glass, my paper cutter. I mean, it really is, this is a full working studio. And last but not least, through the magic of the shoebox company, I have, these are my shoe boxes with bevels, some existing projects and components. And under this table, under my beautiful menorah table, I have the same thing. This is all lined with shoe boxes underneath. There's a little bit of glass. You can see how big the glass is there. So this is really a full working, flat out studio. And believe it or not, I make everything on that table that you see right there. It's crazy. It's crazy how busy I am and how many custom orders I do, work that I make. Crazy, crazy, crazy. So there's my studios tour. There's the front of the shop. I'll take you to more sublime regions of the shop here. We are currently participating in the Hope Project, which is an online auction with the funds supporting a virtual gallery district website for Provincetown, which is fabulous. Provincetown is the oldest continuous artist colony in the United States, and we needed a lot of support this year, as you might imagine. There's one of the first windows I made with wire. Beautiful a confetti glass around the outside, this beautiful beveled strip of mirror, which you can see as I walk by. And on another note, which is kind of sad, but it's okay because it keeps me on my toes, about 80% of what you see here I can't make anymore. Companies have gone out of business. Glass companies have gone out of business. People who make little things for people who sell glass, because the glass companies have gone out of business, they've gone out of business. Components have gone out of business. So every month it's a struggle to find what I need, but you know what? I'm pretty versatile. and I really love what I do, so I'm very, very lucky. So here's my studio and gallery, my gorgeous veranda out here. And there's my daily, 365 days a year, open sign. Second floor of Whalers Wharf on this beautiful rotunda. It's just gorgeous up here. So thank you for joining me for this virtual tour, and have a great day.